Now let's go ahead and put our background that we created in Photoshop, the full-size JPEG that we did the quick export with, not the 1500 pixel job. Let's open up our poster template, and there's a reason we're not making templates yet. I'll explain that later. And first thing we're going to do before anything else is save as, Shift-Command-S, File, Save As. Notice saves grayed out. That means you haven't made any changes or you just saved. So it's not broken if that's what you see. We're going to save as, Command-S, Shift-Command-S. So I'm going to Shift-Command-S, and let's call this something clever. And I'll try to spell correctly this time, and we're going to call it the 13x19 and save it in that same posters folder. So all our work's in there, and we can click OK or hit return. And now we want to place the JPEG. Now again, you have to have created this already in Photoshop. If you haven't done it, you're going to have to go back to those videos and follow the instructions. So we're going to click place, and before we do, let's make sure View, click on View, come down, make sure Smart Guides are on, and Snap to, well, Snap to Point should be Snap to Pixel, but we'll call it, that's fine. And then we're going to go File, Place. Where'd it go? There it is. Shift-Command-P. We're not going to place things that often, so I don't care if you memorize that one or not. And we're going to come to our full-size background, not the 1500 version for your website. Full-size background, click Place. And again, you're in your Posters folder. That's inside your Documents folder. Place that, and you get this weird little icon. You have to be able to see your entire artboard here. Come up to the upper left-hand corner. You get that little intersect that says you're right on that corner. Come down here and wait until you get the intersect. That's weird. There we go. And placed it. Now this little X means I'm not really here. I'm just pointing towards this image. Let's go ahead and embed this and lock that layer, because we're not going to do anything to this in Illustrator. Oh, look, I can't do anything. Good, good. Make a new layer, and this is going to be our typography layer. I'll just type so you don't have to watch me struggle to spell something correctly. And now we're ready to lay our text down on this. You can copy and paste from whatever other file you are working on, but begin doing this. Start laying out your text on this image. There's something else that the theater teacher asked us to do, and we'll handle that in another video. But for right now, you can start working on your text. The title, it's either in the top, it's in the center, whatever. I'll tell you, we're going to have an image here. So it may lay right over it will lay right over the top of the image, but it's going to also let our background show through. So for now, just start working on your layout. And I strongly urge you back on the Mac Lab to go to our work page and look at some of the other examples of posters and how they were handled. Okay, so lots of ideas here, lots of, and some of my veterans were reminding me, I haven't updated this. We've got a lot of stuff from last year that's not even on here yet. But just realize that the most important thing, the thing that should stand out more than anything else, is the name of the play. The event is what's most important when people look at this. You got it?